Hi, my name is XauUsd from Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today is the 13th of October 2025. As usual, if this is your first time of joining our weekly analysis, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Follow us on all social media handles on Facebook, Dubiss Forex Academy, Instagram, Dubiss Forex Academy, TikTok. You will see it. Just type Dubiss Forex Academy across all social media handles. But on Telegram, you start with the one that have Win Forex with Dubiss. That is our free Telegram channel. So this is October, and today is 13th of October. And this month is a great month for me, my birthday month. I celebrated my birthday on the 4th of October. On the 20th of October was my wife's birthday. Is my wife's birthday on 20th. So 7 days from now will be my wife's birthday. And then 24th of October will be my wedding anniversary. And then we are celebrating our 11 years. 11 years of God's faithfulness in Dubiss Forex Academy. So Dubiss Forex Academy is 11 years. All right. We started with a celebration in Port Harcourt last weekend. We cut cake last weekend. 11 years anniversary. We are still going to celebrate in Enugu this week. We are going to be in Enugu this week. So I'll be coming to Enugu today. So if you're in Enugu, wait for me. Let's see in Enugu. Auckland Hotel is the venue. Then 120 Ogui Road beside the business transport is our office in Enugu. So let's meet there. After the event this Friday, we'll be in office Saturday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, free workshop. So let me show you XauUsd while you're preparing for us, for those of you in Enugu. If you're in Port Harcourt, if you missed our program last week, then join us today at the office, 284 About Road by Democracy Junction. We are going to be there in Port Harcourt here. We're having free workshop, free boot camp. We gave out entries last Friday. We did live trading and we made huge profits. Today, we're also going to do live trading. So join us today. Okay. So if you are not Maya as well, we'll be no Maya. We'll be no Maya next week. Next week, Friday, we'll be no Maya. It's your turn. Let's show you how to trade and make money. So this is XauUsd. You see, since XauUsd broke out from this symmetrical triangle, it has been moving as analyzed, breaking all-time high. We've bought today and we are making profit. Let me show you exactly what we're expecting. See, from this last low that I drew to this is over 900,000, as in over 9,000 pips rather. So this is what I'm expecting. This is currently 6,000 plus. We are still expecting close to 3,000 more pips for XauUsd. So we told you all the target we've given you has been achieved. We gave you 3.6, 3.7 till 3.8. Now 4,000. Now my new target is 4,100. We are taking it step by step. That is XauUsd. If you are starting good, be very, very careful. Then for this buy also, you need to get entry point, good entry points, and then don't risk high. Because at any moment, there may be, a flash, as in, there may be a dump. So you need to trade with caution. Don't risk high, even as you are buying. So let me give you XauUsd. XauUsd broke out from this what's it called, trend line. And then you can see what is happening. All right, for me, even as it's broke out from this, I'm still, there's a shutdown in US. So let me highlight the levels for those of you that are looking for levels. Where it is right now is actually a liquidity zone. There's a liquidity there where the price was respected last week. So let me give you the levels so that you know the trade according to the zones we are highlighting. Okay. So for me, for XauUsd, we could still see as this particular level is expected, we could still see price move more up back to this our key level before. This the key level we highlighted before, and price tap it and then fall. And look at last time we dropped this thing. So price tap it and then price fall. So we could still see price going back there again, probably tap it again before price will come down again. So this is analysis for Euro USD. So let me leave it. All right, this is GBUSD. Last time we told you we have been looking for price to get 1380. The price got very close to 1380. So look at where price got 1.3722. So 1.38 was just missed by less than 80 pips. So this is massive. Those that bought it that time were buying over 300 pips. Okay. Then from what we're seeing like right now, this is where the price is. So at the moment now, you need to wait to be sure that price will break back into this zone upward move. Otherwise, price could actually come down from here now. So this has been achieved. Let's move this. So price could actually go down. All right, to mitigate this zone here, this liquidity zone to now give us a bullish movement. Okay, price will come down here. Then from there, but take note, we are still bullish on GBUS. The price could flash down to tap in. That's around 1.3100 around here, and then from here, price will move up. But it could actually still move straight up. Could move straight up from where it is and break it. It could move straight up. So this is first scenario. Second scenario is price coming down here and then move up. So that is for GBUSD, but that's the direction. Our direction is still upward for GBUSD. Then for USD JPY, it was moving, consolidating, moving. Eventually, there was a boom, a bank price move up. Now I'm seeing something. Let me draw the trend line of what I am seeing. This is exactly what I'm seeing right now. Can you see the trend line? You see the trend line? All right. This is the trend line, guys. You see the trend line? Look at the trend line. So, I'm expecting price to go down based on this trend line strategy. So, this is trend line. Okay. So, for me, you have to short USDJPY. This is just a retest of this. This is the price action. These three things that happened here now. So this is a retest of price trying to move up. Okay. And then what? Price goes down. Bagam. So this is the analysis for USDJPY. So trade. So we are starting USDJPY. This analysis, guys. This, as far as price is within this zone, then we are going to see price come down to this zone. That's for USDJPY. All right, for USDCHF, you can see USDCHF actually played out well. From the analysis, you can see price tapping our liquidity zone. What happened? You can see how price move up after tapping inside our liquidity zone. So you can see how many pips price has moved. Let's see. Okay, very close to this liquidity zone. So from here, I'm expecting price to do what? Come down. Showing price to flash down from this. You can see this is already a price action. These have engulfed this. So from here, where price is now, because the price go down further back to this zone. Back to this zone. So this is the channel where price is moving. So here's the CHF is a sell. GBAUD. Last time when I told the price broke this structure, and then I told you that it's to retest and go down. So those that traded it this is where we were last time. Those that traded it, let's see how many pips before price move up. So this is over 230 pips. And then you can see this movement last Friday. There was a move. It was weak last Friday, and that's why you see this move. So this could be a fake out. Price could continue to go down again from this movement. As far as price is below this liquidity or what is happening right now, if we see a bearish close down, and once this zone now, this place now is broken, price will go down more further. That is for GBP AUD. All right, so for AUD, you can see, like I told you last Friday, AUD was weak. And someone will say that this trend line now, there is a break. But I can tell you, you can see that it has happened before. And then look at where it happened before. Price come down and boom, went back. So this price could come back here and continue to move up. So this could be another fake breakout to trap some people. So that is it for AUD CHF. I mean AUD USD. So we could see price coming back into this zone and then price go up. So if you want to buy AUD USD, so you can wait. Those that are conservative that can wait for price to come back into this zone, into this channel, and then price move up. Then AUD card. AUD card. You can see how our liquidity zone that we have already highlighted, how it's working perfectly well. Price from this is where we were last time, and I told you that the price will eventually come to this zone, and once there's a break of structure from this zone, then price will come to this zone. You can see how price have been moving after breaking out from this pennant, right, or this triangle. So that is AUD card price have been moving up. And then you see those that are following this our liquidity zone that we highlight, because what we do is to just give the direction highlighting the zones where price possible, where there will be possible reversal. So someone that come to this zone and then sold from here, look at how many pips. All right, almost 200 pips. Right now, price is going back upwards. Then CHF JPY, like I told you that CHF JPY is bullish. And then we're trying to look for a better entry point. And remember I told you, price, come down. So we're waiting for it to come down from here to buy, but it never did. Straight away, price moved straight from this place and price move up. And that is for CHF JPY. So let's check AUD. So Euro AUD, last time we analyzed price was here, and you can see we told you that price will continue to move down. Of course, it did move, but it has not gotten to this liquidity zone. And then last Friday, based on what happened last Friday, price moved back upwards. So right now, this price will continue to move down. So price is still within the zone, within where the zone for you to still sell Euro AUD. Right. So let me take this forward so that we'll know where we were when we did last analysis. So from here, I still expecting price to still go down. Then GBP, Euro GBP. This is where we were last time, and we highlighted here to give you exit points. So those of you that followed us, I believe you must have exited when price got to our liquidity zone, which is here. This is over 100 pips. I told you that this man is always very slow, all right, sluggish. So I don't trade it. I analyze it for those that love it. I don't trade it again. I used to trade this pair, but right now I just give you analysis for those that love Euro GBP. And this is the zone, and from there price come down. So as far as price is still within this zone, so ranging from here down, from down up until here is broken. Okay. Then Euro JPY. Remember last time I did analysis, I told you that from here we're expecting price to come to this zone. From here we short and price tap in. And let's see how many pips it made before. I've not given analysis for like how many weeks now. So this is 100 pips. Those that follow that analysis, I told you that once you see price coming here, look at it, I draw it, you sell. So price have gotten this point and eventually price sold. And right now, as we speak now, that's around 175. I told you that. Look at it, I even dropped the line 175. I said short USD I mean Euro JPY from 175 and over 300 pips from that move. Okay, eventually price broken, retested. So this bullish momentum is intact for Euro JPY. And then finally, GBP JPY, I told you that price where we'll look for entry points around 206. I dropped the price. I wrote, let me see the price it got to before price retraced. It got to 205.31. I've not really tapped in 206, which is this point we are waiting for. So I think it's this particular liquidity that is here that is respected and price comes down. So we could still see price push up more to get to 2076 or even 207. From there, price we not do what for. But I think I'm seeing also I'm seeing something also. Is there a trend line? Let's see if this trend line, okay, no, not that one. Let's see this one. I think there's a trend line there. Okay, you can see the trend line. There is a trend line here. We could take it this way, right? So any moment from now, this price will do what? Fall. So let's see when it will coincide with this trend line. Okay, and then we're expecting price to fall for GBJPY. Okay, let me give you GB card before we close. GB card has been playing, from this zone price. Each time price mitigates this zone, liquidity zone, which is our supply zone, price before. So price is currently now here, and then price also fall again, 17 something. So as far as price is under this zone, right, then expect price to go down until here is broken, retested as a support before we could see price going further up. So at the moment, we take this down. Price is still under this supply zone. Yeah, not demand, supply zone. Okay, so that is it for GP card. Then I can see Rose XauUsd, and then that is still bullish. Like I told you that last time we analyzed this pair. Okay, I think it went back. Last time we analyzed this pair was that we had to buy as far as price above this liquidity zone. You can see price is still moving up where it is right now. So at the moment now, there is no entry point for a buy for Euro NZ where it is right now, because from there price could still come back to this zone. And I've already analyzed Euro NZD, Euro AUD. Like I told you, look at it. I've already said it there. Still the same thing. We're expecting price to go down, and they are correlated, Euro NZD and Euro AUD. So guys, this is analysis for this week. We'll try, even in our busy schedule, we always try to give you give you entry points. You need to join us on our social media handles, follow us on our social media handles. You need to subscribe to our channels. You need to also follow us digitally. I want to see your comments. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you very much for all of you that wish me well on my birthday. God bless you all. I love you all. Thank you very much. Those that have been following us on Good and you have been cashing out, congratulations. Please comment. Let me know how much you've made from analysis on Good. Thank you very much. Cheers. I'll see you next week. Bye, everyone.